I'll have you dry in no time, my Tsarina.
What are you doing?
Helping the woman I adore. Any gentleman would. Where are you going, Sugar Bowl?
I think I need some air.
Okay, hold still.
No thanks. I need to be alone.
Oh no, never again. You have me now. Wait. Don't move, my peach. I see a flea. Wait! I haven't even given you your deworming pill yet. Come, Itchy. The game is afoot.
Oh, no. Forget it, Charlie. You're nuts.
Oh, relax. It's all part of the act.
Yeah? Well, this actor's gonna come back and bite you, Charlie.
The only thing coming back is Sasha, begging for the old Charlie.
You sure he's not here? You sure?
Trust me, you lost him.
No. He's somewhere nearby. He's lurking. I can feel it.
I don't see what the problem is. It's what you wanted, isn't it, Mr. Perfect Dog?
No, not like this. He's everywhere. Like when I'm out minding my business.
Neither rain nor snow nor dead of night will keep me from making you happy.
Gotta get away.
Sure I can't give you a lift?
Get away.
Hello, gorgeous. Hey, let me snap your picture. Smile!
It's like being stalked by the kindness fairy. I thought having the perfect guy would be a dream come true. But it's a nightmare, I tell you. A nightmare. I can't take it anymore. Must be safe. Safe!
I could have nailed these up for you, my pet.
No!
Charlie, Sasha just ran by. I mean, is she okay?
Oh, she's just perfect, ready to crack like an egg.
Gee, I don't know, Charlie. What if she finds out that it's all an act?
Oh, now how's she gonna do that? Huh?
I don't want a perfect guy. Perfect guys are wrong. I was so wrong. I was just... No. Go away, Charlie. Go away. I can't take it anymore.
Do you know how sorry you look?
You don't understand what it's like. He's perfect.
Yeah, a perfect fake.
No matter what I do, he's a fake.
I overheard him at the cafe. This is all one big scam to make you crack. Looks like it worked.
A scam, huh?
Do you want to borrow my baseball bat?
So, he wants to wait on me hand and foot? Wants to kill me with kindness, does he? Well, we'll see who dies first. Oh, Charlie, could you do me a little teensy-weensy favor?
She's almost ready to crack. Your wish is my command, Sasha. I live to make your life easy.
Too bad I can't say the same. I feel like a double nut pistachio ice cream cone.
Funny, you don't look like one.
Plus an educational videotape about dairies.
Dairies. Gotcha. You getting all this?
How do you spell pistachio?
And then maybe some lobster bisque, a few balloons, and a partridge in a pear tree. Gotta get ready for Christmas early.
No problem, my sweet. Weird, but no problem.
Thank you, Charlie. By the way, any chance of getting it all here by 3?
3? But that would mean... Sure. Your wish is my command. Come on, Itch. We got things to be and places to do.
Oh, brother Charlie, this list is like impossible. Let's just quit, huh?
No, 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 no. This is my chance to really bury her in kindness. She wants an ice cream cone, I'll get her a whole gallon of ice cream. Or maybe the whole truck.
I don't know, Charlie.
Oh, baby. See, Itch? Ice cream. So, what's next on the list?
A videotape on dairies. Oh, that hurt.
She wants dairy videos? I'm gonna give her a whole cow. You got the rope, Itch?
Rope? Oh, this thing. Here.
And voila, we got a cow.
Yeah, but Charlie, how do we get it into the truck?
Well, easy. Just give a tug and away we go.
Ooh. She's not moving, Charlie. Oh.
Get along, little doggy.
Are you talking to me or the moo moo?
This bovine won't budge.
So, now what, Charlie?
Plan B. Medium rare!
There she goes! This hurts.